Alright. Yes, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, no? And yeah, it's early evening. And at this time po, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo how to maneuver, no? How to make use of your total takeover website, no? So I'm sure karamihan po sa atin na probably hindi pa po familiar, no? Especially those who are new in this online programs, no? So kaya I'm creating this video. Very quick lang po, no? At least makita niyo lang po what's happening. Alright, so when you log in, the moment you create in your account, makikita niyo po yun yung doon yung link, no? Yung link kung saan kayo pupunta para makapag-log in with your username and your temporary password, no? So the first thing you would like to do is to change your password. Yun po muna because you will be given a temporary password. So nakikita niyo po rito sa left side yung my account and of course the menu, no? Punta po tayo sa personal info. All right? Um, yan. So yun po, makikita niyo na po diyan. Meron po dito sa yun po sa bandang ilalim, change password. Yan po. Yan, nagre-refresh pa siya. Alright, teka lang, bakit may mga ads ako? Alright, change password. No, the moment you click that, papa-change na po yung password niyo. Okay, so once you change your password, you're good to go. By the way, personal information, baka gusto niyo na rin po i-update. Update niyo yung email address niyo. Nandiyan din po, of course, yung real name niyo. Then, billing address, lagyan niyo po ng laman yan just in case they need it. No? Pero sa akin, hindi ko pa ho na-update. Alright, and if you're using autoresponders, yung Aweber, pwede po natin lagay dyan para dun sa mga medyo advanced, no? Pwede po natin gamitin yan for yung mga autoresponders, no? Okay, that's personal info. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa home. Alright, as the tab says, home. So meaning, ito yung, sorry for the ads. This is the home. Dito po sa home, makikita niyo yung mga recorded webinar. Okay? So si Val Smith po. Val Smith is the one of the founders and owners of this program. He is a very good man. I've been talking to him for the past few months. So we've been trying to put up something. And ito na po ngayon. And if you play this, everything about this total takeover is there. No? Malalaman nyo na po. It's actually an orientation. Alright, nakasulat din po dyan yung mga schedule ng mga parating na presentation. So the next one will be January 8, 2015, Thursday, 9 o'clock p.m. EST. Alright? Or Eastern Standard Time. Ito rin po yung uh, link kung saan i-click nyo pag dumating yung time na yan. But for now po kasi, itong, by the way, ang EST is sa atin po yan. Kung Thursday sa kanila, sa atin po, that's 10 a.m. Friday. Alright? So, kung ngayon po, as I do this video, it's Thursday ngayon. So, bukas pa ho yan ng umaga ng 10 o'clock in the morning. Alright? So, dyan po makikita lahat ang updates, info, and announcements. No? Okay? And, ito ang tanong. So, what's next? Anong susunod kong gagawin? Okay? Kung katulad nung nangyari sa'yo, bakit ka ba nakapasok dito? Because you saw a link. Alright? So, i-share mo lang itong link na to. And of course, as you share it, you just put a little something about it. Huwag naman po share lang. Let's say, just an intro or anything that's coming from your heart. Okay? Wala po ditong bula-buladas. Walang bulahan dito. So, what did you see? Bakit ka ba pumasok dito? Or bakit ka nag-click? Bakit ka nag-join? Alright? So, say something about it. Then, i-copy-paste mo lang po ito. So, pwedeng itapat nyo yung cursor nyo dyan. I-right click nyo, copy link address, i-left click nyo yan. Alright, so naka-save na po yan sa inyong system. Then pwede kayong, let's say, pupunta kayo sa Facebook. Alright. So pagpunta nyo po sa Facebook, kung gusto nyo ilagay sa wall nyo, parang ganito po. Lagay nyo lang, wow, this is so good. Check it. Please. Okay, kahit ano. Then copy paste, no? Control V kung sa mga Windows. Sa amin po kasi Command V sa mga naka-Mac, no? Okay, then post. Alright, pwede niyo rin pong gamitin itong tag people kung gusto niyo may tinatag. Example, tatag ko po yung isang account ko. Itatag ko pa ho yung isa pa. Ako rin po ito. Right, then post. Alright, so lahat po na makakita niyan, yan na po. The goal and objective is to create curiosity. Alright, don't talk too much. No, wala po masyadong, kung wala kang masyadong masabi, wala kang sasabihin masyado. Just build up curiosity. Just use the powerful words. Alright? Ayan po yun. This one, yung advanced tracking codes, hindi pa rin ako familiar dyan. That's something technical. So, I'll just leave it there muna. Pero yan lang po kailangan nyo. This one, itong main pre-launch capture page. Okay, and we'll go down. Yun si genealogy. Okay, ito yung nakakalula. No? This is something na pinagkakaguluhan ng lahat. Na para bang, kakasign up ko lang. Ano yun? Ba't ang dami ng tao? No? So, I signed up 2 days ago. Okay, exactly the day na nag-pre-launch po ito. Exactly that time. That's about, natapos yan is about 10:45 a.m. of Tuesday morning. Sa Thursday po ngayon, ano? Okay, so sorry ho, medyo mabagal lang yung aking connection yata. All right, so at this time I have about 12,661 total below me. All right, so I'll just give a little explanation. No? So lahat tayo, wow, wow, wow. And if you know, if you understand the pay plan 2, which is you earn $1 for every person under your 2x10 matrix. So paano na to? This is 12,661. So does it mean I earn $1 from this? So that's $12,661. All right, hindi po. Okay, let me just clarify. This is actually a company-wide power line. Meaning, ito po yung naka-date stamp po ito. Ito yung hierarchy ng pasok ng lahat ng tao mula nung simula. Parang naka-single line po ito lahat. Power line. Okay, so lahat po tayo sunod-sunod. And that's about 12,661 people. All right, once nag-launch na po ito, once we launch it on January 26, so everybody will be asked to subscribe. All right, may subscription po ito. Please watch the presentation video. Hindi ko na po explain dito, but definitely we need to be subscribing in this program. No? It's a beautiful program, very useful product. So we will have to subscribe. All right, once everybody subscribes, halimbawa lang po, this 12,661, yan na po yung iaakyat. Everybody who subscribes from that list, nakasama tayo dyan, yan po ang unti-unting ipupuno doon sa company-wide 2x10 matrix. Or yung matrix niya, I'm sorry, hindi 2x10. The matrix, starting from 1, 2, etc. I-distribute na po yan. And nandun po tayo. Alright? Kasama na tayo. And the good news is, we are already up there, no? Nandun na po tayo sa taas. Okay? So it means, po na whoever pays diyan po sa 12,661 will be distributed to all of us. Alright? Sa dami po niyan, alam niyo po yung, ang kailangan mo lang naman is 2,046 to fill up your 2x10. Alright, sa dami niyan. And hanggang 26 pa ho. We're just talking of 2 days. That's already 12,000. 2 days. We still have, how many days pa? 20 days. 18 days to go. Alright? And this is exponential. We're growing exponentially. Believe me, makikita niyo po yan, million. Alright? And those million will be distributed to all of us. And everybody subscribes. Alright? A portion of it, let's say hindi 100%, but believe me, naniniwala po akong with the right orientation, nobody will say no to this. Why? Because if you subscribe, you immediately earn. So why will you not? Okay, sabi nga ni Val Smith, if I will offer you my Ferrari, magkano yung Ferrari niya? Parang $200,000 or $300,000. Alright, let's say I'll offer you my Ferrari for $89.95. Yun po yung ating subscription or sa peso, 3,700. If I'll offer you my Ferrari for 3,700 pesos, will you take it? Alright? Ganon din po yun. If you subscribe, and immediately makikita mo, you earn about hundreds of thousands already. Why will you not? Yun lang po yan. Why will you not? Alright, so don't worry about subscription money because the subscription will all come from your income. Siyempre, initial lang po yung pinaka-challenging. Pero what is 3.7? Everybody can produce 3.7. Ito nga po mga cellphone na to. I don't know if you see my video. We're talking of 30,000 pesos cellphone. Kaya nating hulug-hulugan. How much is 3.7? And ito po yung kapalit ng financial freedom. Alright, so yan po yan. Yan po ang ibig sabihin niyang power line. It's growing by the second. Every second po na nagsasalita ako, it's growing and growing. Now, if you want to see yung talagang family tree mo, pumunta ka dito sa enroller tree. This is your family tree. Alright, this is your family tree. Yan po. Ang family tree, ito po yung nagsimula sa'yo, then nanganak ka, then yung anak mo nanganak, apo. Ito yung tightly connected. Okay, yung nakita nyo po, those are spillovers, probable spillovers. Siyempre, malalagyan ako nun. Imposibleng hindi, nasa tuktok po tayo eh. Alright? My sponsor is Tracy Jamieson. He's part of he's not an owner, pero he's part of the admins. No? He's on top. Alright? He's actually an admin. Okay, siya po yung sponsor ko. So, siyempre, galing sa taas, papunta sa atin lahat yan. Okay, kasama itong family tree ko, lahat yan may insertan. Lahat po yan, lalagyan tayo hanggang sa ilalim. Alright, ito po yun. So, at this moment, I have 792 on my tree. Meaning, talagang konektado tayo. Alright, nang galing sa akin, kung makikita niyo po rito, sponsor, ito po yung mga na-sponsored ko. Yeah, sponsor, Kiko Javier lahat, no? Alright, sana umandar siya. Okay, go to page 2. Puro Kiko Javier eh. I think, okay, makikita niyo rin po yan. Alright, so yan po yung enroller tree. This is your solid family tree. Okay, so if you really want to make it big here, wag mo tingnan yung power line view kasi yan, pwede kang maambunan. Definitely maambunan ka. Pero hindi sa'yo lahat yan. Alright? But the enroller tree is sa'yo lahat. Yan yun. Yan yung organization mo. Yan yung anak mo na nanganak, no? Na nanganak. Apo. Alright? That's the enroller tree. Okay? So, 792 po sa akin. Now, let's go to contact manager. So, the good news is, ito pong isang kagandahan sa ating product. Our product is online marketing system. Okay? Hindi po ito ino-offer ng iba. Sa iba, share ka lang share ng link. You don't even know what's happening. Alright? Kung meron bang kung meron ng tumitingin, may interested, etc. So dito po, ito yan, no? So I have about 66 na nag-sign up directly under me. Alright, let's do the math na lang po. Let's do the math. Alright? Just in case lang. Alright? Okay, less 2 kasi yung dalawa po ipapass up. Oh, 64, $45 each po yan. $2,880 sa 41 pesos per dollar. So that's already 118,000 income that I can be expecting every month. Bukod pa ho yung pay plan 2. Pay plan 1 lang po yan. Okay, pay plan 1 is the 2-up system. And of course, lahat po ng kanilang mga mas sponsor, itong directs ko, magpapasa rin ng tig-2 sa akin yan, which I receive $25 each. So, wow. So, that's 118,000 is nothing. Wala pa ho yan. It's bare. Ito yung pinakamaliit na pwede mong ma-receive. Okay, so I hope naintindihan nyo po. I'm going back. Sorry, nawala. Alright, how do I go back? Sorry. Dito. Oh, ano nangyari? Sorry po sorry. All right. Okay, I don't know why I have ads. Okay, yan po yung contact manager. And kagandahan niyan, you got their email address, you even have your phone, you even have their phone numbers. Okay? Then, statistics. Okay, so speak now. Ewan ko nakikita niyo yung screen. Dire-diretso yung pasok ng tao. No? May notification ako from my email. Guys, this is something so huge. No? And alam niyo, this is all about trust. Alam ko naman po yun. And yeah, trust is so hard to get. No? Because a lot of times we fail. Anybody here who has not failed, um, hanga ako sa'yo. Alright? Because most of us fail. We make wrong decisions. No? Right? But this is all about trust. So I know Val Smith, I know Tracy Jameson, and I trust them. That's why pinopromote ko po ito. If I don't know them and I don't trust them, believe me, I won't even be doing this. Okay? And I hope you trust me. The leaders that join me trusts me. All right? If you don't trust, please let's not continue working together. No, trust is essential. That's the main ingredient. And being vulnerable, being honest to each other, believe me, is part of trust. Okay? So yun po yun. So now, let's go back. No? Inantay ko lang mag-load. Pasensya na, mahilig po ako salita about those things. No? Alright, so ito lang po. Makikita niyo yung stats, January 2015. Sign-ups, hits, etc. Medyo hindi pa ako familiar dyan, but you can always check. Alright, and you want to know who is your sponsor or your upline? Ito lang po yun, upline enroller. Okay, my upline is Tracy Jameson. As I've said, she's actually on the top of this one on the top of this structure, and she's one of the admins. All right. Then you want to know more about the pay plan. Okay, so let's say hindi mo maintindihan yung video or yung video medyo hindi mo ma-download or etc. You can have this for you to read. No? Actually, nandiyan naman po yan. Basahin lang po yan. Very simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. Success doesn't have to be complicated, believe me. Earning money doesn't have to be complicated. All you need to have is the passion to make it work. Yun po. Passion to make it work. Do you have it? Ako, I have it. And nagawa ko na po. 3 years ago, I was just like anybody else. All right, running after money, but because of the passion to make it work. But again, it didn't take me that easy. It took me about 16 long years of doing this business. Pero it won't take you 16 years if you listen to us. Because paikli na namin para sa inyo. Sabihin na namin sa inyo yung things you should do and things you should not do. All right, and dito po yung pay plan. And if you have concerns, technical concerns, we're talking of technical. Okay, hindi po, not any other concerns because this contact us goes to our technical team. Anything na medyo kunyari merong disparity dun sa mali ang pangalan or may nawawala, no? I have this case na nakita raw niya yung name ng kanyang downline tapos biglang nawala. Alright, and probably there are some issues, technical issues na and immediately it was fixed. Alright, so you just have to click this contact us. Medyo mabagal po yung aking connection for some reasons, pero yan lang po yan. Alright, then log out. Simpleng-simple. Alright, ito lang po yan. My website addresses, genealogy, contact manager, stats, upline, pay plan, log out. And ito po, as I speak, nakikita nyo naman po, people are coming in. Okay, so this is how to maneuver the website. I hope meron po tayong naintindihan and you can share this to any of your downlines. All right, we are so willing to help. Okay, we have been in this industry, the online marketing industry, for quite some time. We know how it works, and most importantly, we have the heart to make this work. Alright, so all you have to do is trust us, okay? And we will go places in this, no? So maraming salamat po and I'll see you sa susunod na video.